Hit record. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have our very first call-in request. Eric, can you take this and hit
Yeah, put it close.
This is Uncle Eric and I's very good wrestling buddy, Kevin Cross. Kevin, say hello.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Kevin Cross.
Woo!
Hello,
Kevin
Kevin
is
Cross.
a 7 foot. How tall are you?
Kevin, how tall are you?
What was that?
How tall are you?
Me? 7 foot.
Yeah.
Wow.
This man's a giant.
Yeah.
Hi,
And he
giant
kicks some ass.
Kevin Cross.
And he's one of the best wrestlers that we have, up-and-coming wrestlers in Texas right now. So
Yes.
keep your eye out for Kevin Cross. He's got it. All right.
Yes.
Kevin has a request.
So,
Go for it, man.
Yeah, my request is, I want to know what a Canadian jackhammer is.
okay,
Canadian
Google,
Jackhammer.
what is a Canadian jackhammer?
All right, buddy, you got to listen, man. All right, it's Urban Dictionary. We're looking up.
A Canadian jackhammer is when you are 69ing a girl while you, the male, are standing.
Oh.
When you are about to ejaculate, you drop her on her head.
What's up, Canucks?
What the fuck? Why?
No.
Wait a minute, Kevin. You kind of warned me about this. What did you say about it?
I said it's like, from my understanding, it sounded like standing 69 into a tombstone pile driver.
Seriously.
Oh, man.
That's very
So,
violent.
This one, as long as you're careful and the girl knows what the fuck she's doing. Here, give me my phone back.
Yeah, there you go.
I'm actually okay with this.
If there's like a cushion or
A
something.
cushion, like as long as it's on the bed. Dude, bring wrestling into the bedroom.
But-
I'm okay with this.
You gotta be careful how you drop them, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
He would know a lot more, but like, can you drop someone safely to where they're not going to, break their neck or have a problem? Is there a way to drop them safely? Kevin?
To drop them safely.
Yes, is there a method to do?
Yeah, I mean, they just, they
They've
gotta tuck their chin.
got to tuck their chin. Is there
Yeah.
anything as the dropper
Nope.
that you can do?
We lost Uncle Eric.
You broke Eric.
We lost him.
Kevin, you broke Eric. I love you. I cannot believe you just broke Uncle Eric.
No, Uncle Eric's okay. We're making a comeback.
So you need to let her
You
know.
have to have
Be like,
Yeah.
you have to have
chin,
timing.
bitch, tuck your chin, tuck your chin.
You have to have timing worked out, and they have to know.
Tuck your chin. So how? Wait a minute. Here's my question. I'm okay with this, but how do you call it? Like, how we call things in the ring. How do you call?
things during sex?
How do you call? I'm sorry. You
Most important, you gotta call
He calls
spots.
everything. How do you call that while you're ejaculating? Because as far as I know, you guys kind of lose your minds, don't you?
Yeah, you kind of do, but you have to give a little signal.
I think it's-
like the business or something,
I think she should know.
A signal.
Hey!
You better pay attention, or you're gonna get fucking
No,
dropped in the head.
it's not up to the
a
woman.
signal
He's
to
the one
tuck-
dropping her.
A signal to tuck the chin. That's good.
Like tap her on the ass.
Yeah, just a little signal like that, let them know that the move is coming.
Yeah.
Yeah,
there you
no,
go.
it's-
How about a squeeze?
That
A
works.
squeeze.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Iggy.
Absolutely.
Iggy.
All right. So, dude, it has been amazing having you on the phone. Thank you
Yes,
so
thank
much for
you.
You're the first
Good one.
call-in.
Good one.
People, I hope you take note. In the comments below, you can write. Also, like I said, keep your eye out for Kevin Cross. He's definitely going to make it.
It's nice to meet you on the phone.
Thank you guys for having me.
Oh,
Absolutely.
no. Absolutely
Yes,
no
thank
problem.
you.
Kevin, you can join us in this one. Everybody, this has been
Story Time with Uncle Eric.